In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put color in a table in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word Doc Tips. Adding color to your tables is a simple but powerful way to make your documents more visually appealing and easier to read. Whether you're creating reports, invoices, schedules, or data tables, using colors strategically can help highlight important information and organize your content effectively. First, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the table you want to work with is inserted. If you haven't created a table yet, go to the Insert tab, click Table, and select the number of rows and columns you need. Once your table is ready, you can start applying colors to make it more dynamic. To add color to an entire table, click anywhere inside the table to select it. Then, go to the Table Design tab that appears on the ribbon. Look for the Shading option in the Table Styles group. Clicking on Shading will open a palette of colors that you can apply to the entire table. You can choose from standard colors, theme colors, or even create a custom color using the More Colors option. Applying a color to the entire table instantly changes its appearance and can help emphasize the data in a professional way. If you only want to color specific rows, columns, or individual cells, the process is just as simple. Select the row, column, or cell you want to modify, then click Shading and pick the desired color. This is particularly useful for highlighting headers, totals, or important figures. For example, giving your header row a different color makes it easier to distinguish column titles from the rest of the table content. Another useful tip is to use gradient or lighter shades to avoid making the table too visually heavy. You can apply lighter colors to rows or alternate row shading to improve readability, especially in larger tables. Using consistent colors also gives your table a more professional and organized appearance. Finally, after applying colors, review the table to ensure it looks balanced and readable. Make sure the text color contrasts well with the background shading so your content remains clear. Combining color with borders and proper alignment can make your table both functional and visually appealing. And that's it. By using the Table Design tab and the shading options in Microsoft Word, you can quickly add colors to your table to highlight important information, improve readability, and give your document a professional look. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.